Hello everybody, so I got this pop-up on the screen indicating emission fault, and it seems to be a problem of me needing to top up the AdBlue. What I'm concerned about is that it also gives me an engine fault saying a repair is needed. So let me get some AdBlue, top it up and see what happens. So I managed to fill barely a liter. Let's see what happens, because so this seems like a different type of an error and not AdBlue. Okay, so my AdBlue tank is full, so obviously there must be something wrong with a sensor of some sort indicating that I have an AdBlue problem.